windshield wipers. All right, that's what we're talking about in this video. If you have a car, if you drive, like you should at least be able to replace these like every year, because obviously they go bad. Yeah, like oil changes, I understand not everyone has to know how to do an oil change. Like you can literally go to like a mechanic or any car place and like get an oil change. But windshield wipers, come on. Come on. So yeah, today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get the right size, like the right windshield wiper size for your car, because obviously every car is different. How to uninstall the old ones, how to install the new ones. And yeah, that's basically what I'll be covering in this video. But yeah, I've had a lot of friends, not a lot, but like a handful of friends that have asked me like, where do you buy windshield wipers? How do you get the right one? How do you uninstall the old ones? Basically everything that I'm gonna be covering in this video, my friends have asked me to help them out with. And since I'm installing some new ones on my Honda Prelude, I was like, you know what? Why not document this and kind of show you guys how it's done. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys inside my car and I'll show you guys basically how bad the windshields are right now, how they are not doing what they're supposed to be doing, which is cleaning up the whole like window. And it's actually making like the window look worse, because this thing is such a key thing, like visibility and safety, you know, like having a nice clear window. Like, come on. So yeah, let's go inside the Honda Prelude and I'll show you guys the windshield wipers. So yeah, those are the windshield wipers in my car right now. The rubber is like hard already, so it's making that screeching noise, and like the camera probably didn't pick up, but like it doesn't clear up anything. Like there's like bugs and dirt and like water marks everywhere. It's not clearing my windshield wipers. So that's why, yeah, let's take these out and let's put in the new ones, and I'll show you guys how nice they are once this is all done. All right, first things first, I'm gonna show you guys how to find out, or where to go to find, you know, what windshield wiper you need, or what windshield wiper size you need. Yeah, you're gonna type up literally like the specs of your car, or not the specs, but like the make, the model, and the year, and then just put wiper size. Search. Usually it'll pop up like right here, but if not, you can go from experience, like you can go to like AutoZone. So yeah, here we have Honda Prelude wiper blades. You're gonna go, usually it's gonna have like tell us more about your car. So here, tell us more about your Honda Prelude. I'm gonna say it is a 92. And it's a dual overhead cam, and there you go. Like, it should show you what size you need. For example, the front you need a 19, and the passenger side you're gonna need a 22, which is what I have already downstairs. So I don't know about your car, but my car has these type of windshield wipers. So basically this thing, or the wiper, you push down like so, just like that. If you saw, it comes down and it comes off just like that. Gotta do the same on the other side. So this side as well, you just push down and it unhooks from this. Alright, so I just took out the new ones. So these ones, the shorter ones, I believe are for the passenger side, and the longer ones are for the driver's side. So yeah, these are the new ones, and here are the nasty old ones. So let's install them. So yeah, again, here is the hook. Here is the new windshield wiper. So this gap right here, or the easiest way to do this is to take this guy out, fold this thing out. So this hook right here, focus, is gonna go in this space like so, and you're gonna line it up and basically pull it up until it locks. There you go. Got the driver's side on. So same thing for the passenger side. Here we have the shorter one. Same thing, you're gonna want to take it out so it's easier. Put it in. Line it up. And once it's lined up, oops, just push up and it locks into place. So there you go. Some fresh new wipers. So this is optional, but I got some. Basically, washer fluid. If you don't know, this stuff, I mean, it's not water. You can use water, but this stuff, from what I've heard or from what I've noticed, it cleans up your windshield a lot better and smoother and gets rid of bugs and stuff. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put it in here. So yeah, I'm gonna fill this stuff up. Alright, so the new wipers are on. I refilled the washer fluid for this car. Now let's see the results. I don't know if you guys can hear this, but no more screeching. My windshield is clean, clear. I got clear visibility. I can see no more streaks or no bugs or whatever on the windshield. Good stuff, good stuff. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope it helped for some of you who are like wondering, again, like everything that I stated in this video. Hope it helped a whole ton for you car owners or drivers out there. But yeah, that's it. That's pretty much it. Simple fix, simple thing to replace every year, so that your car can, have better visibility. But I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you haven't already, like, subscribe, comment down below, whatever the heck you want to. But yeah, as always, hope you guys have a good one, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.